If you care about protecting your long-term health, don't skip this. Today, let's talk about a vegetable that many people underestimate: broccoli. Not as a diet trend, not as something exciting, but as one of the most powerful protective foods you can include in your routine. Broccoli is rich in compounds called sulforaphane and glucosinolates. These natural plant compounds support the body's detoxification systems. Your body already has built-in detox pathways. Broccoli helps support those natural processes. It is also rich in vitamin C, which supports immune balance, and vitamin K, which plays an important role in bone health. Another quiet benefit of broccoli is its high fiber content. Fiber supports digestive health, stable blood sugar levels, and long-term metabolic balance. Broccoli also contains antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress. Over time, cellular protection becomes increasingly important. Including broccoli regularly may support overall resilience and internal balance. The key is preparation. Lightly steamed broccoli often preserves more nutrients than overcooked versions. Broccoli does not promise instant transformation. Its strength lies in consistency. A few servings per week can become a simple, powerful habit. Sometimes the foods that seem the most ordinary provide the strongest long-term support. If you found this explanation helpful and you enjoy calm, science-based content about everyday nutrition, please consider subscribing to our channel. And if you liked this video, a simple like helps more people discover reliable and balanced health information. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.